Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: an Office 365 account and the calendar owner's email. First, open Outlook web or desktop and switch to Calendar. Once there, click Add Calendar in the left pane, choose from Directory or from People. Type the owner's email or name, then press Enter to locate the shared calendar. This immediately queries your organization's address list, so make sure spelling is correct. If it appears, select it to preview before adding it permanently to your calendar list. After locating the calendar, click Add or Open to load it. Once added, configure how it displays. Set a distinct color, enable overlay to compare schedules, and pick working hours if needed. If events are blank or show limited details, you likely need additional permissions. Hit Share or Request Permission and send a polite access request explaining why you need more details. Make sure to refresh your calendar list. The new settings take effect immediately and will sync across devices signed into the same Office 365. Finish by verifying the shared calendar appears on your mobile and desktop clients. Once done, test by creating a tentative event if allowed, then check that it syncs. If the calendar is missing or shows limited details, refresh the view, sign out and back in, or clear the app cache. These steps often restore sync. If problems persist, contact the calendar owner or your Office 365 admin to confirm sharing permissions and that the calendar was shared with the correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.